What's up, guys? Luckside here again on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. Got some very shocking news for you guys. So I've never seen anything like this happen before, so I think we need to talk about it. So before we do, though, if you are new to the channel or haven't already, make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that little bell, because then that way, you'll get any notifications when we have content go live here on the channel. So Binance is set to convert users' USDC, USDP, and TUSD into its own stablecoin, BUSD. Now, Luckside, why does this matter? Stablecoins are boring. Well, we have never seen this kind of thing happen before. So apparently on September 29th at 3 o'clock UTC, I'm actually going to make this a little bigger for you guys, UTC, users' balances in the three stablecoins will automatically be converted into Binance US dollar. So users can convert before that if they'd like to, but just keep in mind, if you're holding any one of those three going into that point in time, it will be converted automatically. So don't be surprised if you're looking for your USDC and you're like, oh my gosh, where'd it go? Now, this is pretty shocking because USDC is the second largest stablecoin by market cap. I mean, it's $52 billion? Yeah, $52 billion. So it's a large amount of money. Now, we don't have in front of us the numbers as to how much of that currently exists on the Binance platform. So that has yet to obviously be noted. Obviously, there'll be updates kind of coming as time goes on. But Binance BUSD, we'll just call it BUSD, is currently the third largest stablecoin at $19.5 billion. So effectively, if there is a swap of about 15 billion USDC over to BUSD could actually end up flipping USDC for that second spot in market cap, which is crazy because USDC has actually been on this upward trajectory. It's actually expected to cross USDT. Man, all these abbreviations are just getting crazy. Okay, it's expected to cross Tether, all right, pretty soon. I believe it was supposed to be either later this year or into next year. I know I did a video on it a little while back, but yeah, this is crazy. Right now, Tether does control about 44% of the market share, and we may end up seeing this change too, because I do know that there are people who will trade on DeFi and then send that their USDC over to Binance to actually cash out. So this may shake things up a little bit, but obviously definitely something to watch. I wanted to keep you guys up to date on this too, just so obviously you weren't surprised if you do use Binance, the platform. But as always, appreciate you guys taking time out of your day to watch this video. If you haven't already, or again, if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that little subscribe, that one, then hit the little bell, because then again, that way you'll be notified anytime we have content go live, whether that be live streams, videos, shorts, any of that sort of stuff. So tons of great content coming your way. Big announcement coming here for ClearCryptos as well. So make sure you are tuned in for that. Make sure you pop on the Discord. Make sure you're on the Discord. Make sure you're on the Twitter. All that sort of cool stuff. So ClearCryptos, that one there. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next one.